Welcome to Zion Hospital. My name is Evan Sobai. I'm a clinician. We welcome you to this season of circumcision. I want to start by defining what circumcision is. So circumcision is a surgical procedure that involves the removal of the foreskin, which is the fold of skin at the head of the penis. Who is eligible for circumcision? Male infants, children, adolescents, and male adults are all eligible for circumcision. Preparation for circumcision involves consultation with a medical personnel so that he can take your medical history, do physical examination, and advise you accordingly. In case of any underlying medical condition like hemophilia, you will be advised accordingly and prepared for that procedure. What are the medical benefits of circumcision? Hygiene, reduced in recurrent infections of UTIs and HIV infection up to 60%. And of course, the religious and cultural reasons also. Benefits of circumcision are highlighted as above. The healing process takes 2 to 6 weeks, depending on several factors: the age of the individual, any underlying medical condition, and the general well-being of the individual. So we welcome you to Zion Hospital for circumcision and other procedures. Thank you.